Are you considering a new X1? Today we're going to dive into the lineup and tell you why it's unique. So if you're curious about where the X1 lines up on the model range, the 1 is going to be the smallest. Then you have the 2, which is essentially the same car, but in a coupe design. Then you have the 3, which is a little bit bigger than this car. You have the 4, which is going to be the coupe design of the X3. Moving up from there, you have the X5, which is a considerably bigger car. Then you're going to have the X6, and if you need a 3-row huge SUV, go up to the X7. So if you're curious about power levels on these cars, it basically comes down to the number on the back of the car. So this car right here is xDrive 28i. Then you have the M35i. The bigger the number, the more power. As of right now, the X1 doesn't come in a hybrid. If you're looking for a hybrid or fully electric, step up to the X3. Comes with a mild hybrid system as well as a fully electric model on its way. What makes the X1 very unique is that you can customize it to exactly what you want. Here in America, we have a bunch of options when it comes down to color, wheels, and the design. We have M Sport on this car. This is an M model, so it comes standard, and then we have the standard. So one of the first questions when you're building out your own X1 is whether you want classic or M Sport. What does that mean? Basically, it comes down to design. Right here, this is classic. It's gonna have a little bit more of a simpler look up front, a little less aggressive. Comes with different wheels. If you want an M Sport, that's what we have over here. So it's a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more angled on the front bumper. It also comes with different wheels as well as more performance upgrades. So BMW has your necessities covered. We have standard heated seats. We have a curved display that has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have a wireless charger for your phone. We also have a panel roof. If you choose to customize the car from there, there is a bunch of options when it comes down to interior color, ambient lighting. You can also have massaging seats in this car, even though it's the X1 level. You can really customize this car to exactly what you want. So whether you choose the M35i or the 28i, the customizing does not end. You can choose a Harman Kardon sound system, you can do heads-up display, you can do ambient lighting, you can do massage seats. Basically any luxury that you want, you can get. So moving on to the back of the X1, no matter what trim you get, it's all the same back here. And I'm 6 feet tall and I have plenty of space. This is set up for my driving position and I have plenty of space right here. I also have a big glass roof that adds a lot of light back here. We have charging ports, climate control, and the rear seats also can recline if you need. So moving on to the cargo space of the X1, there's plenty of space back here. You also have the ability to option a spare tire under here if you need, or if you need additional space, don't, and you get a little bit more to offer. The space back here actually rivals some of the sedan models that are higher up on BMW's range. You can put cargo back here, you can put luggage, you can put soccer bags, anything that you need. So if you're looking to switch into an X1 from another brand or from a sedan model, I think that the X1 might be a really good option for you. If you're looking to test drive one of these vehicles, come down to BMW at Peabody, part of the Lionwall Auto Group.